Hello, all my dear students. Welcome back to your online classes. This is your Tezip sir, and this fourth maths class. So, all my dear students, today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn exercise number 12C, question number 2. What we are going to learn today? We are going to learn exercise number 12C, question number 2. We are going to learn. In the last lecture, means in previous lecture, we have done a question number 1 of exercise number 12C. What we have done in the last session? In the last session, we have done exercise number 12C. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, and I hope you all are know the concept of today's concept, means what we are going to learn today. So today we are going to learn exercise number 12C, question number 2. Rewrite this sentence using a 24-hour clock, and second, match the picture to the time. And question number 4, is this a daylight or darkness? So what things we are going to learn, my dear all students. So before starting exercise number 12C, as per regularly, first of all we are going to check today's quote, and then we will start our session. So now, my dear all students, I am going to present here today's quote. What I am going to present? I am going to present here today's quote. So let's check a today's quote. What is a today's quote? So today's quote is, education is the key to success. Education is what? Education is key to the success. Got my points, all of you? Again, I am going to repeat this quote for you all, dear. Education is the key to success. Got my points, all of you? And now we will going to check today's content. So now let's check here today's content. What is the today's content? My dear students, take out your book, take out your important things with you, keep it with you, all my dear. Take out your book, rough book, either fair book, and then, my dear all students, you note down this today's content, means exercise number 12B, question number 3, and question number 2 and 3 both. Note down the all things, my dear all students. Do fast and keep it with you, all the stationery. So my dear students, question number 2 is what? Question number 2 is, rewrite the sentence using the 24-hour clock. Rewrite this sentence using a 24-hour clock. And then after, the question number 3 is what? Question number 3 is, match the picture to the time. Match the picture to the time. So note down this both question, all dear. Do fast. We have to write all things in your book, my dear. So further I am going to start exercise number 12C. Okay, exercise number 12C, question number 2. So first of all, you note down the instruction. Rewrite this sentence using a 24 hours. What all, my dear students? Rewrite this sentence using a 24-hour clock. And then, my dear all students, we are going to write question answers, means solve the question answer. I hope you all are understood, my dear all, what I am telling you. So first question is what? Let's check the what is the question number first. Okay, and you have to write in your fair book, either rough book. And compulsory, my all dear students, you have to write all things. First is Mr. Patel goes for a walk at the 6:30 a.m. every day. In my dear students, if PM is coming, so that time we have to do the changes. AM, no changes for AM. No changes for AM, my dear students. So Mr. Patel goes for a walk at 6:30 a.m. every day. So what we have to write there? That we are going to write there, Mr. Patel. Question number A. Question number A is what, all my dear students? Question number A. Mr. Patel goes for a walk at a 6:30 hours. So this is answer of question number A. Okay, answer of hours every day. Where, my dear students? Every day. Note down the answer number. Answer number A means answer number first in your book, dear all. Note down the all answer number in your book, my dear all. I hope you all are understood how we can change, how we write this sentence. So as like that, my dear students, we are going to write the sentence. Put my points all. See the changes of we had done this question. Put my points all of you. So note down this all things, my dear, in your book. Do fast. And then after the second question, Priya's school begins at 7:45 a.m. As per I was told you, no changes for a.m. 7:45 a.m. So now you have to write with me, all dear, the answer. So Priya's Priya. So see, my dear students, Priya's school begins at 7:45 hours. When 7:45 hours. If, my dear students, PM is there, so we have to change in PM. No need to change in AM. So in this both question, my dear students, AM is there. Got my points, all of you? So note down this all important things in your book, my dear. I hope you all are understood. Do fast. So my dear students, again I am going to repeat for you. Priya's school begins at 7:45 a.m. So answer is what? Priya's school begins at 7:45 hours. So note down this answer, my dear all students, in your book. Note down this all things, my dear students, in your book. I hope you all are understood. So note down this answer, dear all, in your book. And then we will going to start a question number C. What we are going to start? We are going to start a question number C. So this is answer number 1 and this is answer number 2. Got my points, all of you, what I'm telling you? Note down this all things. So all my dear students, we have to write as like that all answer. What we have to do? We have to write answer as like that. And then further, my dear students, we will move on our question number C and D. So let's check the question number C. Okay, it started running at 12:10 a.m. What we are going to start at, my dear students? It started raining at 12:10 a.m. So what we have to convert in our 24 hours clock? So we have to convert as like that. It started raining at 12:10 a.m. Where 12:10 a.m. Note down these all important things, my dear students. It started, question number C. It started raining at 12:10 hours. Note down this all things, note down this answer, my dear students. What is the change of in this answer? We have to write all things in your book. Note down this all things, my dear. See, what is the question? It started raining at 12:10 a.m. So what we have to change in 24 hours clock? We have to change only that 12:10 hours. No need to change in AM if PM past morning is coming, so that should we have to do the changes. So all my dear students, as like that we are going to solve a question number C. So note down the question number C, my dear students, in your book, and then after we will going to solve the question number D. And compulsory, my dear students, highlight the change. We do the change of 24-hour clock. So note down this all, my dear things, in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are writing, dear. Then what is the question number D, my dear students? So let's check. Let's solve the question number D. So question number D is the night show. The night show starts at 9:30 p.m. The night show starts at 9:30 p.m. When 9:30 p.m. Okay. So my dear students, and one more do changes in here is what? 0010 hours. It is changing in the question number C. So note down this answer, dear all, in your book. Do fast. Note down the answer in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood what I am telling you. And then after the question number D, what is the question number D, all my dear? So the night show started at 9:30 p.m. and 9 number is represented at 21. So 21 double dot 30 hours. We have to write as like that answer. Got my points all? Note down these all important things, my dear all, in your book. So all my dear students, we are going to write as like that answer. Understood? As like that answer. Now we will move on further, my dear all students. Question number D. The night show started at 9:30 p.m. So what we have to do the changes in a 24-hour clock. So we have write as like that. The night show started at 21:30 hours. Okay, so now we are going to write the answer. Answer number D. So not done with me answer. The night show starts at 21:13 hours. So note down this answer, my dear all students, in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, dear, what I am telling you. We have to write all things in your book. So note down this all answer in your book, my dear. What I am telling you. And then, my dear students, we will going to solve the question number E. What is the question number E? The train was delayed and came at 1:45 p.m. 1:45 p.m. What, my dear students? The train was delayed and came at 1:45 p.m. Delay means late. Okay, the train was delayed and came at 1:45 p.m. So p.m. 1:45. So what is a 1 is represented after a 12 is 1. So 1 is represented 30. So 13:45 hours. The train was delayed. Answer number E. Answer number E. The train was delayed the train was again I am going to write the train was delayed and and came came at 12:45 hours. Note down the answer, all my dear, in your book. I hope you all are understood. See, the train was delayed and came at 13:45 hours. Note down these all things, my dear students, in your book. I hope you all are understood. Okay, so this is a question number E. We have done 12:45. For my points, and then we will going to start the question number 3. Match the picture to the time. What we have to match? We have to match the time. But my points, all dear students, are not done these things in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood, dear. Okay, so first of all, we are going to write the time. The given time 9 hours. So what is the present at 9 hours? 9 o'clock. Okay, and then after 4014. What is the 4014 minutes? 14 hours shows. So my dear all students, what I am telling you, match the picture to the time. 9 o'clock is what? Present at 9 hours is present at 9 hours. Okay, and 4014 hours. is what represented 12 or 12:40. Okay, 12 o'clock and 14 minutes. And 7:30. And 7:30 is what represented 7:30 means 5:30. And 21, 20 hours. 21 is presented at 9. Got my point? So we are going to write the time first. 09:00. AM or PM, my dear students? AM. Got my points, all of you? Then after 40 means a 12, 40 AM. Got my points, all dear? Note down these things in your book, my dear all. Do fast. And then after here 7:30. What is the represented 7:30? 7 is represented 5. So 5:30. 5:30 PM. Got my points, all dear students. And last is 21. 20. Okay, so 21 is what represented 9. 9 o'clock and 20 minutes. It's a PM. But my points, all dear students, note down the answer in your book. Do you all are understood? Note down this all answer in your book first. This is all answer, and now we are going to match. Okay, when we are going to take the lunch. See, first of all, this time is what 12:40 a.m. So 12:14 is what represented sleeping time. 12:14 a.m. is what represented 12:40. We have to sleeping. And what is the time of a 24-hour clock? The 24-hour clock or 14 hours. So it's present at that time we are taking a sleep. Put my points, all of you. So note down this all things. Do fast. And then after the second one is what? Cricket. When you are going to play a cricket all, you have any idea all dear? Note down these things, my dear. So second is cricket and this lunch. Okay, lunch or dinner, my dear students. What is the time of the school? School is timing what? 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. Got my points, all dear students. 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. And what is the time of you are playing a cricket? 7 a.m. When you are taking the dinner, 7:20 means 12:20. So now as like that we are going to solve the all answers. Put my points, all of you. Note down these all things there in your book. Note down these all important things, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. And then we will further, my dear students, we will move on to question number 4. Means we have to identify the time. Its present, its time is darkness, means darkness or daylight. Okay, so as like that, my dear students, in next session we are going to learn about question number 4. Okay, we have to, is this a daylight or darkness? We have to identify and then we have to write these things. So note down this all things, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. And then, my dear students, and we are going to learn a new topic, find the minutes. What we are going to learn? Find the minutes. We are going to learn find the minutes in next lecture. My points, all of you. I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Okay, so in next lecture, my dear students, We have done exercise number 12, see question number 1, 2 and 3. Only a one question we have left. Got my points all understood? I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much my dear students watching this video. Thank you all of you. Thank you so much dear.